Hello everyone and welcome back to Glow Up. How to perfectly do your eyeliner. Have you ever spent way too long in front of the mirror, trying to get that perfect eyeliner, only to end up with panda eyes or uneven wings? You start off confident, thinking this time, I've got it. But 5 minutes in, one side's higher than the other, or worse, it just disappears when you open your eyes. And if you've got single eyelids, you know the struggle is on a whole other level. It's like the eyeliner has a mind of its own, vanishing into that fold. But don't worry, I'm here to save you from the endless eyeliner battle. Today, I'll show you 3 foolproof tips and tricks to create a flawless eyeliner look for single eyelids. No more smudging, uneven wings, or disappearing lines. Let's dive in, and I'll make sure you nail it every time. Ready? Let's go! I'll show you how to do the parallelogram eye makeup. Most tutorials tell you to start by finding 4 points to shape your eye look, but you can adjust the angles and lengths however you like to fit your style. Let me show you an example so you can see how it's done. Parallelogram eye makeup method 1. First, identify the shape of the area you want to outline, then set the positions of the 4 points. Extend a line horizontally from the inner corner of the eye upwards to point B. Next, draw a line parallel to the lash line, reaching the outer corner of the eye, which is point C. The point at the outer corner of the eye is D. Apply a base eyeshadow over the entire eyelid to reduce puffiness. Use a darker shade starting from the center of the eyelid and blend it diagonally upwards toward point C to create a lifted look. Sweep any excess powder from the front of the eye upwards to point B. Regardless of how many darker shades you use, blend them within this range. The eyeliner should start from a quarter of the upper eyelid, extending to point C of the outlined shape. Then connect the middle of the eyelid to this point and fill in the color. For lower eyelid, fill in the roots of the lashes with eyeshadow or draw it directly. Since the lower eyelid is angled downwards towards the inner corner of the eye, first extend the upper eyelid to point A, then connect this point to the inner eyelid. Finally, for monolids, you can use dark eyeshadow to slightly blend the eyeliner, making the overall eye makeup look more natural and balanced. Parallelogram eye makeup method 2. For the parallelogram technique, the upper and lower edges are horizontally parallel. When drawn, it creates this effect. This method is generally suitable for anyone with single eyelids or puffy eyes. We will still identify the position of 4 points and then apply a base color to reduce swelling across the entire eye socket. Darken where there is swelling. For example, if my eyelid is swollen in the middle, I would apply the shadow from the inner corner to the middle of the eye. Next, use a detailed brush and dip into a dark brown or black eyeshadow. Extend a line from the middle of the eye parallel to point C, then connect this point to the outer corner of the eye. Using eyeshadow for this will make it look more natural and prevent the eyes from appearing completely dark when closed. Continue to use dark eyeshadow at the outer corner, forming a semi-arc shape. Use the excess powder on the brush to deepen the lash roots. The inner corner of this eye makeup should have a parallel angle inward. First, extend the inner corner by about 1 millimeter to reach point A, then connect it to the upper eyelid and fill in the middle area. If there are any harsh edges, you can use a blending brush to soften them. Very demure, very classy, very cutesy. Parallelogram eye makeup method 3. Actually, the common European and American makeup styles you often see are based on the concept of parallelogram-shaped eye makeup. To make it easier for everyone to master, let's briefly go over how to position this shape. Once you get the hang of it, you can use it as a reference for your everyday puffiness-reducing eye makeup. First, use a gray-toned eyeshadow or contour shade to reduce puffiness by connecting point A at the inner corner of the eye to point B under the eyebrow, then blend it toward the side of your nose. Next, connect point D at the outer corner of the eye to the end of your eyebrow at point C, and blend it slightly. Using the end of your brush, Press down to find the position of your eye socket, and continue reducing puffiness along the socket. The lower edge of the parallelogram should deepen the roots of your lashes and follow the lower lashes to create a subtle eyeliner. You can use whatever eyeliner style you're comfortable with. Finally, curl your eyelashes, then tada! Look at that clean eyeliner. It's giving clean, simple, and effortlessly chic vibes. So, those are the 3 eyeliner techniques for your single eyelid. Each one creates a different look, from bold to natural, but all are designed to enhance and complement your unique eye shape. Thank you so much for watching. I hope these tips help you master your eyeliner game and feel more confident in your everyday makeup routine. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more beauty tutorials, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest video.